My cat playing with my bookmark. She's my favorite kitty in the world. Oh. Oh, she's just so cute. She's just so sweet and cuddly. Oh, no. No, you can't eat those. You're gonna die if you eat those. I cannot let you eat those. Open your mouth. Open. What? You gotta open your mouth. Gotta make sure you didn't eat it, sweetie. Open your mouth. Open. Open your mouth. Open. Don't bite me either. Let me see your mouth. God, don't. I gotta see if you ate it or not. Open your mouth, sweet. Open your mouth. Oh. She's gonna ignore me. Open. There. I'll be a good person. I'll scratch you until you calm down. Okay, there. No. Open. 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 I swear, she ate it. I'm not gonna lose you. You hear something? Yeah, best kitty ever. Yeah, she's hugging my hand, see? She loves me. Let me see that. Let me get this out of your eye. It's okay. Let me. See, you got it. Good. Oh, that's my cat.